Welcome back to Kavi's Memento YouTube channel. This is our third day in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and we are going to check in to our third stay in Kuala Lumpur. It's Hilton Garden Inn Kuala Lumpur North Hotel. This hotel main restaurant is in ground floor and there is a vending machine in front of the reception. Let's go and see that. It's called Pavilion Pantry. There are mineral water. There are toothbrushes and toothpaste. Want some snacks? Ice cream. Noodles. And there's a coffee machine. This is the gym of Hilton Garden Inn North Hotel. This is the room we selected for our third night stay in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We booked a Queen Deluxe room with Twin Towers view. This room is located in 8th floor. There are 9 floors with guest rooms. Let's look into the view we have for our room. Since this is the 8th floor room, we can't have a wide view for this height. We have a queen size bed. Tea coffee maker. An empty minibar. Hair dryer, iron, board and iron, safe, room zippers. Let's go to the bathroom. We have dental kit as well. We are here at Hilton Garden Inn Kuala Lumpur Hotel Restaurant. We are going to have our breakfast here. Let's dig in. We decided to try sweet items and our desserts together, and we have to take another cup of tea or coffee. We are now going to check out from Hilton Garden Inn Kuala Lumpur North Hotel. I forgot to tell something important. There is no swimming pool in Hilton Garden Inn North Kuala Lumpur Hotel because the guests have to go to swimming pool in Hilton Garden Inn South Hotel. Hilton Garden Inn South Hotel is next to Hilton Garden Inn North Hotel, so it's not that much hard. But apparently there is no swimming pool at this building. So we are going to check out now. Thank you for watching. Let's meet soon again. Bye.